If you're new here, welcome to Gardening with Tiff. I'm Tiff. This is King. This channel is dedicated to teaching you easy, quick, simple steps on how you can garden at home. Being in the garden, it's just a peace and a joy that I feel in growing and just being here. So I would love it if you would join me and subscribe using the link below. And also I'll leave my Instagram link so you can go follow me. Check me out on Instagram. Today is beautiful weather here in zone 7A. Our weather has been a little erratic lately. It was 60, then it started snowing and raining. So I really wanted to take the opportunity to get out into the garden today and show you quick, simple, easy steps on how I sow my cilantro. To sow cilantro, you will first need at least an 8-inch container. You can also use a patch of land or a raised bed. That would work as well. I personally like using a container because these guys are self-seeding and can quickly spread like wildfire. I use this pre-made potting mix, and guys, don't use garden soil. I made the painful mistake of when I was first starting out to do this. That's a no-no. So we want to fill the container at least halfway. I will then add some compost into this as well, just to make the soil richer. And then you want to mix it. So I have some compost here. You want to mix, and then top it off with some more potting soil. Hi, King. He loves joining me in the garden. And cilantro is a cool weather crop, so they really like temperatures between 55 to 80 degrees. Once it starts getting really, really hot, they will bolt, die, and just stop growing. So if you're in zones 3 through 10, then you're really safe. You're in the safe zone to actually plant this herb. And guys, by no means am I an expert. I've only been gardening probably about 4 years now. And I'm really just here to share what works for me. I went through a painful period of trial and error. So if I can save you any heartache or grief in your gardening journey, that's good enough for me. So now that you've filled your pot with your soil, I like to add some biotone fertilizer, organic. This stuff is great. I mean, I'm a creature of habit, so if it works, like, why change it? I just like to sprinkle a little bit on the top, mix it in. Now you're gonna take your cilantro seeds and you're going to plant them about 1/4 inch deep, and really try to space them 4 to 6 inches apart. Gonna take some seeds here, and I use my nail. This looks about right. Just pop it. Now that you have your cilantro seeds in, we're just gonna water them in, and the waiting game begins. The general rule is you want to water your cilantro plant at least 1 inch of water per week. A good indicator of this, and this is how I measure it, it looks dry on the top. I stick my pinky inside of the soil. If it comes up dry and it's not moist, I water my plant. You want to start harvesting your cilantro to use in your guacamole or any of your favorite dishes once the plant reaches about 6 to 8 inches tall. You can start just picking off the leaves and using them however you like. Well, guys, that's it for now. Please leave in the comments below your favorite herb to grow in the garden. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you next week.